Well, how you doing today? Happy New Year. If you are swinging by, thank you for taking a watch and maybe a listen. I am working on brain today. Ooh, I'm telling you, I feel like I had all of the hard ones left to go here for this 5-minute challenge and the bingo, the blackout bingo for the Ugly Art Club. But I do have to give Tiff a little bit of credit because I was complaining because all I had was the hard ones left. And she actually was like, well, maybe you could use this idea. And I was like, oh, yeah, that sounds fantastic. I can totally do that. So a little kudos to Miss Tiff for helping me out here with this brain prompt that we have. So I had found a super cute girl in a vintage yearbook, of course, and then I just went to cutting out all kinds of phrases and words. I'm thinking, oh, our brains work overtime all the time, don't they? Everything from, oh my gosh, I need to clean that, to, oh, I'm going to water the plants, and maybe some math for today. Did I get the grocery bills? What does that look like? Oh, and I'd like a pair of shoes, and I need to get this flower planted, like all of the things, right? And so that was basically, where my head went. So I just had a great time looking for words and phrases and getting stuff kind of cut out and ready so that when I got to this particular challenge, then I would be good to go. But the other thing, besides being January 1st of 2025, goodness gracious, it is membership open doors. Yes. So again, if you have been watching, playing, if you have been inspired by any one of us, myself, Tiffany Goss Smith, or Dee Dee Catron, if you would like to set your intentions for 2025 and and are looking for an art community, I think we have all of those bases covered. We welcome anyone making anything, any medium, and all of the previous content. So again, we're like in year 3, I think. So I think that when Dee Dee was looking, I think we've got like 150 plus videos already in the classroom, and we've categorized them. So if you're like looking for something in particular, like maybe you're looking for stuff that we did clay, or maybe you're looking for wearable art or wearable jewelry or art journaling or negative space, or oh goodness, the list goes on and on and on, like on and on. We have a ton. And again, I'm super excited for this year because we've got, again, really great guests that are coming on board. We're kind of reaching out and working ahead here to make sure that we've got great topics, prompts for each month, but also besides ourselves, also having just really great guest artists for you as well. So I say that because the doors will only be open here for a couple days, January 1st through the 3rd. So if you're interested, please come hop in. If you visit our website, theuglyartclub.com, there will be a sign up there at the website. So take a look, go over there, get yourself signed up. We would love to have you, and we will just continue this crazy creative journey that we are on, and we will have a great time doing it in 2025. So anyway, Happy New Year again. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will catch you later.